So, alam naman na ng lahat na ang kalsada sa Quezon at Pabicol from worst to maximum worst. That is given na po. Pero, pag ganito namang klaseng view ang naghihintay sa inyo, well, lahat ng pagod at sama ng loob mawawala. We arrived here at exactly 3 p.m. The thing that I learned here is that pag nakita nyo si Mayon na balot ng ulap, huwag agad mawalan ng pag-asa. So we waited just an hour. After an hour, wala. And ultimately, she revealed herself. Yes, that is true. Kahit first timer kami dito. Kasi ang kasabihan, pag first timer raw, hindi mo raw makikita ang buo si Mount Mayon. Pero kami, naswertihan at ang bait-bait ni Mount Mayon sa amin. One thing worth mentioning din is nang pagpapunta namin dito, ang lakas ng ulan. So we didn't really expect na gumandang ang panahon ng ganito. Sunny. Good for photo ops, really. That is true. So, this diversion road leads to the Mayon Volcano Natural Park. The centerpiece of attraction of the park is the almost perfect cone of Mount Mayon Volcano. The park was first protected in the year 1938 as National Park and was reclassified in the year 2000 as Natural Park. So sa mga bumabiyahe pa south galing Manila or somewhere north, huwag niyong kaligtaan na daanan tong lugar na to kasi you would not regret the beauty of Mount Mayon. At the park, huwag kayong mag-alala at maraming mga photographer doon as in pro. They will give you a perfect shot of Mayon Volcano for you. So, since kapos na kami sa oras, we stayed at the park for around 30 minutes only, or let's say 20 minutes, just to have our photo ops done with our colleague, our friend there, na si Mang Tomas. Mang Tomas nga ba? Then, we lined up our bike doon sa taas para mas maganda ang kuha. And I will show you in the still photos after this video. So we gave some tip kay Kuya, of course, sa kanyang kuha sa amin, of course, gratis na rin sa kanyang ginawa. And we are very happy. Ito na po ang still photos. Yan na po. And I'm pretty sure you will also have same photos when you visit here. So sana gustuhan nyo aking munting kwento at yun lang po. Ciao!